Hello all, Marieke here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Watercolor Wash Stencil by My Favorite Things. I have seen popping up some questions about it, so I figured I could do a quick video on it. First off, I make a smooth white base card, score it in the middle and trim off the excess. Now I grab my masking tape and rip off the bit that I'm going to need. I trace the watercolor wash stencil using a pencil and cut it using my scissors. I decided I want to use the big bold miss you sentiment in the middle of the card, so using the stamp I decide where I want the masking tape to end and where I want the watercolor wash stencil to be. After some moving, I decided where I wanted the masking tape to be, so I added it to the base card as well as the stencil using some tape. Now the ink blending part starts. I used picked raspberry, carved pumpkin, mustard seed, twisted citron, salty ocean and wilted violet. For the ink blending, I'm using my ink blending brushes to ink blend in the colors except for the twisted citron. I used the old school blending tool just because this is a lighter color. After I'm all happy with my ink blending, I splatter some water using my distress sprayer and dab it off using a paper towel. I'm removing the masking tape and the stencil and clean up my craft mat. I grab my MISTI and place the card in my MISTI. I place the stamp where I want it to be and ink up the stamp using extreme black ink. I press it down firmly because it's a large solid stamp and repeat the steps a few times to figure out that the paper is still too wet of the water. So I let it be and start adding a matching enamel dot to the distress ink colors, so it has some time to dry. I tried stamping it one more time, but it's still too wet, so I decided to heat set it for a bit. This helped and I stamped the sentiment one more time. Now my card is all done. I hope you enjoyed my card making video. If you did enjoy watching this, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. For more details on this card, there is a link to my blog in the description below. Bye bye!